everyone, my name is AINA NAFISAH, metric number 313424. Today, my friend and I will present about our company named MISUNTARA. MISUNTARA is a medium-sized enterprise which is operating within fast-moving consumer goods (FMCG), specifically in instant noodles. MISUNTARA aims to ease people's lifestyle. MISUNTARA type of business is food manufacturing industry focused on instant noodles. And MISUNTARA started the business from 15 February 2022. The location of the business is near with the infrastructure facilities and commercial buildings. This allows for cost-effective distribution and ensures seamless access to the north, south, expressway for nationwide supply chain. Here is the mission of the company. First, vision: to expand operation by establishing more production factories across different states in Malaysia in order to enhance production capacity and ensure a more efficient distribution system, enabling faster delivery and consistent product availability nationwide. While the mission is to ensure prices remain affordable, prioritizing customer satisfaction through consistent taste and efficient service, expanding the business through creative and innovative marketing strategies to attract more customers and increase brand awareness. While the objective of MISUNTARA is to introduce an affordable price for the customer and the target market. Second, to attract more customers using suitable marketing strategy and interesting product taste. Third, to increase sales and profit by using paying tax gains from the sales profit. And lastly, to provide a product that make easier customer. Lastly, to provide a product that easier customer life and save them. Lastly, to provide a product that easier customer life and save their time, specifically for serving food.
Thank you to the representative before me. Assalamualaikum and good day to everyone. My name is ADILLA Binti Zulkfle and my metric number is 312463. For this part, I will explain the organization chart of MISUNTARA Corp Sdn Bhd Company. First of all, MISUNTARA Corp uses a functional organization structure. This means the company is divided based on specialization such as finance, production, marketing, research and development, and human resources. This structure helps to improve efficiency because each department focuses on their own expertise, which increases productivity. Next, the organization also follows 3 levels of management. At the top level, we have the executive director, who is responsible for the strategic decision. In the middle level, there are the chief administration and managers who implement plans. Lastly, the operational staff represent the lower level, focusing on daily tasks. In addition, the company has a clear chain of command from the top to lower level, starting from the executive director down to the staff. The chief administrator supervises 5 managers, which shows a moderate span of control. This allows better coordination and effective supervision. Overall, this structure helps ensure smooth operation, clear communication, and better organization for performance. What separates a thriving organization from one that constantly struggles? It comes down to structure. When roles are clearly defined, communication flows without friction, and every team member understands their place within the larger mission, everything changes. Operations that once felt chaotic become predictable and efficient. Decisions get made faster because accountability is put into the system. Teams stop working against each other and start working with each other. A well-designed organization structure is not just a chart on a wall. It is backbone of how work actually gets done. It determines how information travels from the leadership to front employees, how problems get escalated and resolved, and how performance is measured and improved over time. When that backbone is strong, the entire organization moves with purpose and precision. When it is weak, ever talented people struggle to deliver results. The goal is always the same: smooth operations, clear communication, and better performance across every level. Building that foundation intentionally is not optional. It is the difference between an organization that survives and only that truly excels. That's all from me. Thank you, and I will pass to the next representative.
Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. My name is Mohamad ZULHAIRI bin Jamaludin, matric number 3125C4. For my slide, I will present about planning function in management. Nusantara business have 3 goals: involves short term, medium term, and long term. In short term goals, the business focus increase sales, improve customer satisfaction, reduce waste, and maintain hygiene standard. For medium term goals is Nusantara business focus to open a new branch, introduce new menu trends, and implement digital ordering and delivery system. And last one is Nusantara business focus to become a famous local restaurant chain, expand a true franchise in the Southeast Asia market. That's all for my slide.
Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is NADIA binti ZULKFLE. My matric number is 313414. Let's moving on our second management function, which is organizing. For a growing brand like Nusantara, effective organizing is the backbone that transforms our strategic plan into everyday reality. Specifically, organizing helps us achieve 4 critical objectives. First is ensure smooth operation across the board, minimizing friction from production to delivery. Second, by clearly defining roles, it strengthens teamwork and collaboration among our staff. Third, it allows us to systematically maintain strict quality control to produce premium quality instant noodles. And finally, all of this serve a singular purpose: to satisfy our consumer through the authentic taste, continuous innovation, and a broad accessibility. To support this operation goal, Nusantara operates with a structured organizational culture stage that allows our daily activity a long-term growth. This begins right to the core pipeline, systemizing our flow from R&D to quality assurance and finally to packing. By building a strong internal structure, we ensure that every department is directly aligned with our long-term strategic goal. This includes establishing efficient distribution network, robust supply chain management to keep our product moving smoothly. Because we are in the food sector, organizing also means enforcing strict adherence to global standards for food safety. Right now, our core focus into on maintaining operation stability to create a solid foundation that can support our future market expansion. This stability gives us the room to commit to continuous innovation of new products that cater for the Asian market. Ultimately, ensure high consumer satisfaction through high reliable service and uncompromised product quality. Now, let's look at the actual environment we celebrate within Nusantara. Our organization culture is a dynamic mix to different types, which is clan culture and adhocracy culture. On the left, our clan culture focuses heavily on the human element. We emphasize teamwork and value effectively. Transparent communication across all the departments. We treat our team like a family, encouraging an entrepreneurial spirit, especially within the R&D room. This collaboration as well allow us to be able quickly identify and moving on global food trend because everyone is turned into the same frequency. On the right, we balance that collaborative spirit with the adhocracy culture, which is all about creativity and calculated risk taking in a crowded and highly competitive international industry. Driving creativity is non-negotiable. This culture empower us to focus on build flavor and catch global food trend before everyone else does. We embrace the flexibility of this model, accepting higher R&D and budgeting costs that worthwhile investment to create truly unique yet affordable product for our consumers. By balancing the strong teamwork of a clan culture with a bold innovation of an adhocracy, Nusantara is a perfect opportunity to stay organized and compete dynamically.
Good morning everyone, and thank you to the presenter before me for the excellent presentation. My name is MARHALIM BIN MOHD FAZLEE, matric number 313001. Today, I would like to explain the leading function and explain how it's applied in Nusantara. As we know, leading is one of the key functions of management. It focuses on guiding, motivating, and influencing and inspiring employees to achieve organization's goals. In Nusantara, effective leadership is important to ensure smooth operation, maintain product quality, and achieve customer satisfaction. There are 4 main leadership practices implemented in Nusantara. First, real-time feedback. Second, motivating and inspiring team. Third, communication bridge. And lastly, transformational and transactional leadership. So now I will explain each of these leadership practice and how they contribute to the success of Nusantara. Thank you. The first aspect leading in Nusantara is real-time feedback. Supervisors regularly visit the production floor and act as coaches rather than just managers. They provide immediate guidance to ensure that good manufacturing practice of GMP and halal standards are followed correctly. When teams successfully reduce waste or improve efficiency, leaders use instant recognition and praise. Nusantara also values customer feedbacks and use it to improve products through research and development, ensuring that customer needs continue to be met. The second aspect is motivating and inspiring employees. Nusantara follow Griffin's expectancy theory, which suggests that employee works harder when they know their effort will be rewarded. To encourage high performance, the company provides bonuses to the department with the highest monthly production. In addition, the top 20 employees each year receive an annual holiday trip to destinations across Asia. This reward helps employees stay motivated and committed to achieving company goals. Next is effective communication. Communication acts as a bridge between the headquarters and factories located in different states. Leaders communicate clearly and directly to avoid misunderstanding. Employees are encouraged to raise concern immediately, whether it's related to logistics, product quality, or production challenges. Nusantara also promotes an open voice policy where employees can contribute ideas regardless of their positions. For example, a packaging operator can suggest improvement to packaging methods. If the idea is adopted, the employee receives recognition and rewards, showing that every voice is very much valued in Nusantara. Finally, Nusantara combines transformational and transactional leadership style. Transformational leadership encourages creativity, innovation, and shared visions. Leaders inspire employees to develop new marketing strategies and contribute to the company growth. Employees are given autonomy and trust, which create a positive work environment and build loyalty. At the same time, transactional leadership ensures that daily operation runs smoothly. Nusantara conduct 3 daily checkups to maintain product quality, consistency, and affordability. This helps guarantee that every packet of noodle meets the company's standards.
Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. Thank you to the presenter before me for the wonderful presentation. My name is Mohamad HAKIMI BIN NORAZMAN and my metric number is 310179. Today, I would like to explain about controlling, which consists of feed-forward control, concurrent control, and feedback control. First, feed-forward control. Focus on preventing problems before they happen. For example, by analysis previous sale, data, and market trend, the company can forecast the future demand for its instant noodle. This help the organization plan production level effective and avoid overproduction or shortages. First, feed-forward control. Focus on preventing problems before they happen. For example, by analysis previous sale, data, and market trend, the company can forecast the future demand for its instant noodle. This help the organization plan production level effective and avoid overproduction or shortages. Next, I would like to explain about concurrent control. Concurrent control refer to monitoring activity while the operation is taking place to ensure everything runs smoothly. First is real-time tracking. Manager and supervisor observe every stage of instant noodle production to ensure all processes are running according to plan. If there are any delay or abnormalities, they can be identified and solved immediately to avoid further disruption. Second is quality control. Workers and supervisors continually check the noodle during stages such as mixing, cooking, and packaging. This ensures the production meet the company's quality standard and reduce the chances of defective product reaching customer. Lastly, customer service is also part of concurrent control. Customer inquiries and complaints are handled promptly while operations are ongoing. This helps the company respond quickly to issue, maintain customer satisfaction, and protect its brand reputation. That's all from me, and we continue with other representatives.
Assalamualaikum and good everyone. My name is SYAMIMI binti ZULKFLE, number metric 312545. Today, I will present about feedback control in company. First, for analysis of issues that occur, any problem such as production delays, product defect, or inefficiencies are reviewed carefully. This means the management will study every problem that's happened in the company operation. By doing this, they can identify the root cause of the problems and take corrective action to avoid the same issue from happening again in the future. For example, if there are delays in production, the company can improve the workflow or machine maintenance to make the production process more efficient. Moving on the sales performance, by analysis sales data, the company can determine whether its instant noodle are meeting market demand and achieving profit targets. This means the company will evaluate their sales performance to know if the production are successful in the market or not. Next, this information helps in making better strategy discussion such as adjusting production level or improving market strategies. For example, If sale increase, the company may increase production. If sale decrease, the company can improve promotion or marketing strategies to attract more customers. Lastly, for customer feedback, feedback from customer regarding product taste, quality and packaging is analyzed to identify areas for improvement. This means the company value customer opinions because customer feedback can help improve the product quality. Next point is this ensure that the company continues to meet customer expectation and enhance overall satisfaction. So, by improving the product based on customer feedback, the company can maintain customer satisfaction and build customer loyalty. Now, we continue to conclusion. As stated in the slide, the company provide quality and affordable instant noodle products together with a clear vision, mission and objective. These elements are important because they help guide the company in achieving its goal and satisfying customer needs. Besides that, the company also have an efficient organization structure and applies POLC function effectively in its management process. With good management and business strategies, the company can improve its performance and remain competitive in the market. So, all these strengths show that the company have strong potential to become a successful and competitive brand in the instant noodle industry in the future. I think that's all from me. Thank you.